What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use a Visa gift card on the Supercell Store step by step so you know exactly what to do if you want to buy gems, passes, or special offers. First, make sure your Visa gift card is activated. Most Visa gift cards require activation either online or by phone before they can be used. Also, check the balance on the card to confirm it has enough funds for your purchase, including any possible taxes. Next, open your browser and go to the official Supercell store. Log in using the Supercell ID connected to your game account. Once you're logged in, choose the game you want to make a purchase for, like Brawl Stars, Clash of Clans, or Clash Royale. Browse the available offers and select the item you want to buy. When you reach the checkout screen, choose credit or debit card as your payment method. Now enter your Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. For the billing address, use the address that's registered with the gift card. If your Visa gift card doesn't have a registered address yet, you may need to set one up on the card issuer's website first, otherwise the payment can fail. Once all the details are entered, confirm the payment. If the card has enough balance and the information is correct, the purchase will go through and the items will be delivered directly to your Supercell game account. If the payment doesn't work, double-check three things: the card balance, the billing address, and whether the Visa gift card supports online and international purchases, since the Supercell store processes payments online. And that's it. That's how you use a Visa gift card on the Supercell store, safely and correctly. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.